sir. First one of the day right there, baby. Yeah, there you go. But a boom, hybrid. Yeah, probably a 9. Yep, nice one there. Nicer. Now that's probably a 10er.
Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, that's nice. Can we get a picture of that?
I got a camera this time.
If I would stop being so stubborn during the dead of winter and use live minnows, I would catch a lot more fish.
Yeah.
Like in January,